To apply for a business visitor visa, temporary resident visa, TRV, to attend the annual African Descent Summit 2025 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. A Ugandan applicant must meet the following basic requirements. 1. Completed visa application form IMM 5257. Application for a temporary resident visa. Form IMM 5645. Family information form if required. 2. Supporting documents: passport, valid for the duration of the stay, with at least one blank page. Photographs. 2 recent passport-sized photos that meet Canadian visa specifications. Proof of purpose of visit, an invitation letter from the event organizers, including details about the summit, the applicant's role, e.g. participant, speaker, and any costs covered by the organizers. Summit registration details or tickets. Proof of business, professional background, evidence of employment letter, business ownership documents, etc. If self-employed, provide business registration certificates and tax compliance documentation. 3. Proof of financial support: bank statements for the last 6 months, pay slips, proof of income, or sponsorship letter if someone is covering expenses. Evidence of sufficient funds to cover travel, accommodation, and personal expenses in Canada. 4. Ties to Uganda: documents proving strong ties to Uganda, such as employment or business commitments, family ties, marriage certificate, children's birth certificates, property ownership or rental agreements. A detailed explanation of the intent to return to Uganda after the summit. 5. Travel history: copies of previous visas and entry stamps for any international travel. Proof of compliance with previous visa conditions. 6. Proof of accommodation: hotel reservation or confirmation of stay from the summit organizers. 7. Flight itinerary or reservation for round-trip flights. Do not purchase tickets until the visa is granted. 8. Additional documents if applicable: letter from employer, confirming leave approval and purpose of travel. Business contacts in Canada, details of Canadian organizations or individuals related to the summit. 9. Visa fees: pay the visa processing fee approx. CAD $100. Biometrics fee approx. CAD $85. 10. Biometrics and interview: applicants must provide biometrics at a visa application center (VAC). Attend an interview if requested by the Canadian Embassy or High Commission. 11. Medical examination if applicable, required for stays longer than 6 months or if requested based on the applicant's medical history. 12. Online account creation: create an account on the IRCC website to submit the application online or visit a visa application center for in-person submission. By meeting these requirements and demonstrating a clear purpose of visit, ties to Uganda, and sufficient financial resources, the applicant will strengthen their case for approval. Alexander Luima, Director, Community Programs and Information, African Descent, Ontario.